Today we'll be taking a look at how to create overlays using the XOGO Manager for web browsers. These overlays can be as simple or as complex as you'd like to make them. In this tutorial, we'll give an example of a very simple overlay and an example of an overlay with more going on. The first overlay will simply consist of our logo displaying in the corner of the screen. To create this overlay, you'll first need to create an image with a transparent background and place your logo in the corner. I use Adobe Illustrator, but you can use many other tools as well. I just created a 1920 by 1080 artboard, but be sure to size your canvas according to your screen. Back to the manager, let's tap the Add New button. And then we're just going to start by giving the overlay a name, and then we're going to browse our files to upload our image that we just created. Next, we're just going to save the overlay and assign it to our player. Simple as that. Here's what it looks like displaying on our screen. Now our next overlay is going to be using web services to pull information like time, weather, and a newsfeed. Again, I'll start by giving the overlay a name. And I'll also upload a background design. Now that we have a nice guide for where to place our web services, I'll click Add Web Services and paste in the link that will pull our date and time. After I save, I just need to resize the box to fit onto our top banner. Next, I'll repeat this process and paste in the link to display the weather. Resize that as well, and place it next to the date. And lastly, we'll paste in the news feed, and we'll size that as well. After saving, we're just going to assign our overlay to our player, and we'll see our results here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.